So let's get one of these bad boys and see what they taste like. Oh, look at that. Look at that cheese. Beautiful Trader Joe's beef ravioli bolognese. It was pretty easy to make. Boiled it for 6 minutes. Sauce, butter, cheese, all done. Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today we're gonna do another Trader Joe's video. This one's got amazing reviews online and I can't wait to make this recipe. We're talking about Trader Joe's beef bolognese ravioli. It looks amazing, it's got amazing reviews online, so let's go make it. So the video is gonna start with beef bolognese ravioli. The sauce we're going to use is Muti tomato sauce with basil and oregano. I made my own tomato sauce with Muti tomatoes and they were unbelievable. They come from Parma, Italy. Outstanding quality tomatoes. We're going to use some Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. Top it off with some grated Parm cheese. So here we go with the first bite. It's amazing. Beef is great. It really comes through. Pasta, everything cooked perfect. Outstanding dish, guys. This was $3.49. Trader Joe's. It took 10 minutes to make. Highly, highly recommend it. Take another bite here. This is definitely another winner by Trader Joe's. If you like beef ravioli or just the bolognese sauce in general, go to Trader Joe's. Get yourself the beef ravioli bolognese. It's delicious. Just put it in some quality tomato sauce, add some butter and some cheese. It's gonna be amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.